Is the Irish language still spoken today? As you wander through the beautiful landscapes of Ireland, you may find yourself asking, is the Irish language still spoken today? The answer is a resounding yes, but the extent of its use can vary greatly depending on where you are. Irish, also known as Irish Gaelic or Gaeilge, holds the status of an official language in the Republic of Ireland and is recognized by the European Union. This Celtic language has a rich history and is deeply woven into the fabric of Irish culture. In certain regions known as the Gaeltacht, Irish is the primary language spoken in daily life. These areas are home to vibrant communities where the language thrives. However, even outside the Gaeltacht, many Irish people have learned the language through education. In fact, nearly 40% of the population in the Republic of Ireland can speak some Irish, showcasing its continued relevance. As you travel around Ireland, you will notice Irish appearing in various places. Many road signs and public notices are bilingual, featuring both English and Irish. This visibility is a testament to the language's importance in everyday life. Additionally, Irish is taught in schools, used in media, and celebrated during cultural events, keeping the language alive and well. If you are interested in connecting with the local culture, learning a few basic Irish phrases can be a fun way to engage with the people you meet. Even if you are not fluent, making an effort to use the language can be appreciated by the Irish. It shows respect for their traditions and customs. Irish language culture is not just about the words. It is also about the stories, songs, and traditions that accompany it. Many traditional Irish songs are sung in Irish, and they often tell tales of history and folklore. Participating in local events where Irish is spoken can provide a unique glimpse into the heart of Irish social customs. So, whether you are in a bustling city or a quiet village, you will find that the Irish language is still very much a part of life in Ireland. It is a living language that continues to evolve while remaining a vital part of Irish identity and heritage.